Hello guys, welcome back. Today's topic is how to be attractive to a woman. I know that a lot of people will be like, we're going to kill ourselves for women. It depends on the topic you're looking for. This topic is for people that are focused on being more attractive to a woman. But not just that, we're talking about confidence here. So take this video as a guide or step to build your confidence. Take this video as something that you will use to improve your self-esteem and build your confidence. It doesn't all just have to be for the woman. When guys start thinking how to be more attractive to a woman, they often come to the conclusion that they need more money or muscles. But this just isn't the case. So let's discuss the first step in attracting women. Number one, confidence. Talking about confidence, let me teach you how to build your confidence from the outside. It means focus on having confident, positive body language. Keep your head up and back straight. Let your shoulders roll back and relax. Maintain steady eye contact with women and be sure to smile. This is one of the best and easiest way to project confidence. A second way to build confidence with women is from the inside out. Lack of confidence comes from the feelings of doubt, uncertainty, and general negativity. If you can clear these doubts away and focus on something more positive, you will have an easy time feeling confident and attracting women. A simple way to shift into the confident mindset that will help you get women is to remind yourself of your positive qualities. You can also find things from your current environment or a situation that you like or approve of. If you're with great friends, enjoy the music that is playing. Keeping your mind on what is positive prevents it from wandering into doubt and negativity. Finally, a proof way of building your confidence is by hitting the gym on a regular basis. It is not about getting rock hard abs. It is about getting your endorphins going and feeling better. About how you look on a monthly, not on a daily basis. Numerous studies show that one of the best ways to build your confidence is by exercising. And believe me, it is a confidence that other people will notice. So, number two, the second way of attracting women is with good sense of humor. Next to confidence, humor is the most important quality a guy can have to attract women. Showing a girl you have a sense of humor is not as difficult as most guys make it seem. It is not like you need to be a stand-up comedian and make women laugh non-stop to get women to like you. Simply getting a girl to laugh once or twice early on can be all you need to attract women. You just need to show her that you have a sense of humor. Number three, let me explain to you how to attract women with appearance. When it comes to appearance, guys often think that attracting women is all about nice hair, big muscles, and expensive watches. And while these things can help get a woman's attention, they are far from necessary in attracting a woman. So all you need to do is to dress well in clothing or attires that fit your type of body, and make sure your clothes are well ironed and straightened out. The next thing is for you to make sure you have a good hair cut. If you're one of those that cuts their hair, if you make your hair, make sure your hair is neatly kept and it doesn't smell. And trim your beards if you're one of those that trim their beards, or no matter how you keep it, but make sure your beards are looking good. Put on some nice perfumes. A lot of people love people that smell nice. Even guys love it when girls smell nice. So you can impress a girl when you smell nice. You dress smartly, make sure your shoes are well polished or neatly cleaned, and they suit your attire and they suit your personality. When you dress like a classic man, it is way easier for you to attract any woman. You don't have to wear Versace or Puma for you to attract women. The fourth way of attracting women is become the challenge that women want. One of the biggest mistakes guys make when trying to attract a woman is making things way too easy for her. There are two things you can do. One, qualify. After you've been talking to a girl for a bit, ask her questions about herself and get her to prove to you that she is interesting and have more to offer than just her looks. You can even straight up ask, so what do you have going for you besides your looks? By making her work to win you over, you show her that you're a bit of a challenge. Women are attracted to guys who prove a challenge. The second part, be willing to work away. Being willing to work away shows her that you have standards of your own that she must meet if she's going to keep you around. Again, it signals to the girl that you are a challenge, which women love. The fifth way to attract women is goals and drive. A lot of guys think that they need to have some super awesome career to attract women. Of course, it helps to make money and have a cool job. What is more important, however, is having goals and drive. Consistently, this is something I see some women expressing an interest in. Not necessarily the guy with the best job, but the guy who has a clear idea of where he wants to go in life and is taking steps towards getting there. It goes beyond just impressing her with your goals. Having goals and making consistent steps towards achieving them, no matter how small, is one of the best ways to feel good about yourself and grow your confidence. This in turn will help you be more attractive to women. So why I said take this as a guide or step to build your confidence. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like the video, share this video. It's still me, Gracious Choma, and I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.